This morning, this was the scene after a crash near the Galleria turned fatal. Hoover police say witnesses reported seeing 3 cars speeding on I-459 south just before this crash.
Yeah, so now 2 people are in custody facing charges. WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn live and local for us in Hoover this evening.
Yeah, what happened out there, Aaron?
Yeah, Guy, Brittany, I'm told by some people who work nearby that the traffic was extremely backed up around 11 o'clock this morning. That's about an hour after that crash happened. Now, I'm also told that while Hoover police were investigating, witnesses told them that they saw 3 cars driving extremely fast down I-459 south. Now, one of those cars hit another and caused that car to drive off the highway. Now, we want to get you to some video so you can see just how bad this crash was. Now, one of those people in the car died at the scene, and another is recovering at a local hospital tonight after hitting that tree. Now, one woman I talked to says she was caught in the aftermath, and she says seeing the traffic backed up and knowing someone died on the highway is scary.
So I was on my way to work and I saw like the sign saying like the right 2 lanes would be closed, but I didn't really think anything of it, and like probably like 10 minutes later everything was at a complete standstill. So I mean, I was and I had to get off the interstate. I was not gonna make it.
Now, soon after the wreck, police spotted the other 2 cars involved going down John Hawkins Parkway near Hunter Street. An officer tried to stop them, but both took off. One crashed at Highway 31 and I-459. The other finally stopped at a gas station on Morgan Road in Helena. Police arrested both drivers. Now, I talked to a woman who works at Hunter Street Elementary. She stopped at that gas station while police were clearing the scene, and she says it reminded her of another accident she saw near the school in October.
And the 2 people died right in front of Hunter Street. It was Halloween day. So we had to see it that morning at school, and so that was, yeah.
Is it kind of bringing that back for you
yes,
now?
traumatic.
Now, the 2 who were arrested in connection to this crash today are being held at the Hoover City Jail, and there are possible charges coming, but police are still investigating what led up to this crash. But for now, we're live in Hoover. Aaron Llewellyn, WVTM 13.